Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says, the inventor of the chessboard suggests a reward of 1 grain of wheat for the first square, 2 grains for the second, 4 grains for the third and so on. Doubling the number of grains for subsequent square, how many grains would have to be given to the inventor? इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम की कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करेंगे. की कॉन्सेप्ट sum of n terms of GP, sum of n terms of GP is equal to a into r raised to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here a is equal to first term of GP, r is equal to common ratio and n is equal to number of terms in GP. सॉल्यूशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. We have given that number of grains for the first square, number of grains for the first square, for the first square is equal to the second square, मतलब दूसरे स्क्वायर के लिए number of grains है. The second square is equal to 2 and third square के लिए है for the third square is equal to 4 and so on. ये हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. नाउ दिस नंबर ऑफ ग्रेन्स फॉर्म जीपी. ये नंबर ऑफ ग्रेन्स एक जीपी का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. दिस नंबर ऑफ ग्रेन्स फॉर्म जीपी where GP is like 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3 and up to 2 raised to 63. So the first term of the GP is, so A is equal to 1 and common ratio, that is R is equal to 2 and N is equal to, that is number of terms in the GP is 64. So using the key concept, sum of n terms of GP is equal to sum of n terms of GP is equal to A into R minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2 raised to the power 64 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power 64 1. So the number of grains that would have to be given to the inventor is 2 raised to the power 64 minus 1. So 2 raised to the power 64 minus 1 is the final answer. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.